Facing criminal charges in Oklahoma can feel overwhelming and confusing, especially if it's your first experience with the legal system. Whether you're accused of a misdemeanor or a felony, understanding what to expect in a criminal case can help you make informed decisions and prepare for the road ahead. Here's a breakdown of the key steps in a typical Oklahoma criminal case and what you might encounter during the process. Most criminal cases begin with an arrest. Law enforcement may arrest you at the scene of an alleged crime or later based on an investigation or warrant. Afterwards, you'll be booked at the local jail, which includes taking your fingerprints, photographs, and basic information. In many cases, you may be released on bond shortly after booking. For more serious offenses, you may have to wait for a judge to set bail at a bond hearing. Your first formal court appearance is an arraignment. This typically occurs within a few days of your arrest. At the arraignment, the judge will inform you of the criminal charges, advise you of your rights, ask how you wish to plead, guilty, not guilty, or no contest, address bail or release conditions. This is also the time to request a public defender if you cannot afford to hire a private attorney. After arraignment, your case will move into the pre-trial phase, which may include discovery. Both sides exchange evidence, such as police reports, witness statements, or surveillance footage. Motions. Your attorney may file motions to suppress evidence, dismiss charges, or challenge legal issues. Plea negotiations. In many cases, the prosecution and defense will negotiate a plea deal to resolve the case without trial. This phase can last several weeks or months, depending on the complexity of the case. If the parties cannot reach a plea deal, the case will go to trial, either before a jury or a judge, bench trial. At trial, the prosecution must prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Both sides can present evidence, examine witnesses, and make arguments. You have the right to remain silent, have legal representation, cross-examine witnesses, present your own witnesses and evidence. At the conclusion, the judge or jury will deliver a verdict, guilty or not guilty. If you're found guilty, the case moves on to sentencing. If convicted, the judge will determine your punishment at a sentencing hearing. Factors considered include the severity of the offense, your criminal history, victim impact statements, mitigating or aggravating circumstances. Sentences may include jail or prison time, probation, community service, fines, restitution, or mandatory treatment programs. If you believe a legal error affected the outcome of your case, you may have grounds to file an appeal. In Oklahoma, appeals are typically filed with the Oklahoma Court of Criminal Appeals. You must act quickly, as strict deadlines apply.